Sakal Gunarnavasha Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
The sun illuminates both internally and externally by expanding its radiation. Similarly, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, by expanding his universal form, maintains everything in the creation both internally and externally. The universal form of the Lord, or the impersonal feature of the Lord known as the Brahm Jyoti, is clearly explained here and compared to the radiation of the sun. The sunshine may expand all over the universe, but the source of the sunshine, namely the sun planet or the deity known as Surya Narayan, is the basis of such radiation. Similarly, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Lord Krishna, is the basis of the impersonal Brahm Jyoti radiation, or the impersonal feature of the Lord. This is confirmed in the Bhagavad Gita. So the universal form of the Lord is the secondary imagination of the impersonal form of the Lord, but the primary form of the Lord is Shyam Sundar, with 2 hands, playing on his eternal flute. 75% of the expansive radiation of the Lord is manifested in the spiritual sky, and 25% of his personal radiation comprehends the entire expansion of the material universes. This is also explained and stated in the Bhagavad Gita. Thus, the 75% expansion of his radiation is called his internal energy, whereas the 25% expansion is called the external energy of the Lord. The living entities, who are residents of the spiritual as well as the material expansions, are his marginal energy, and they are at liberty to live in either of the energies, external or internal. Those who live within the spiritual expansion of the Lord are called liberated souls, whereas the residents of the external expansion are called the conditioned souls. We can just make an estimate of the number of the residents of the internal expansions in comparison with the number of residents in the external energy, and may easily conclude that the liberated souls are far more numerous than the conditioned souls.